Hey, it's your girl Aubrey. I am the one that is behind the whole Dish and Dine. Y'all dish your thoughts. You can do that within the comments. You can hit me up on my social media. My social media for my YouTube channel is _dish in as a Nancy and Dine. Personal Instagram is I am Aubrey Glover, and that is Aubrey with 2 E's. But the whole point of my Dish and Dine with moi is basically for y'all to dish your thoughts. Like I said before, you can do that within my social media. You can do that within the comments below. Give me topics to talk about during my tutorials. It can be socially, it can be economically, it can be personal. Just give me topics. I am a psychology major, so I love giving advice. I love talking about different things, and I'm really big on debates. People say I'm so debatable. But also the dining part, I am doing actual food tutorials. I'm showing y'all how I get down in the kitchen, okay? You can also give me different things that y'all wish for me to do tutorials on. It can be anything. There's nothing I really wouldn't do a tutorial on. Even if it's new, I would love to learn it myself, and I will show y'all, my learning techniques. And also, I am going to start doing guests on my show. So if you would like to be a guest on my show, you got a business, you got a service that you do, you got like a 2 to 3 minute sitcom that y'all can do within the tutorial show, just so y'all can get more views on your business, as well as bring me new views as my channel. More views, more subscribers. That's really what I'm looking for. And it's also going to help you with your business, so you can see more people seeing what you do, what's your product, and if it's a service, tell them about your service. Show them where they can go to get your service, and show them where they go to get your product. Very simple, but other than that, it's time to dine with Aubrey.